Juvenile crime can be proven very harmful for the country if not treated at a proper time. Hello everyone. My today's lecture topic is juvenile crime. Juvenile means of or relating to young age, and crime means an illegal activity in which someone is punished by government. So juvenile crime refers to an illegal activity in which a juvenile is punished by government. In other words, we can say that when an activities of a juvenile is harmful for society and for him, then it is called as juvenile crime. Now the activities may involve like running away from home, use of inappropriate and vulgar language, committing sexual offences, etc. The juvenile crime, this is not originally built in the children, but because of the environment in which he is brought up. As it is said by Frederick Douglass, that it is easy to bring the great child, but difficult to repair a broken man. So what are the factors which are responsible for juvenile crime? First is that family problem. Second is economic problem. Third is schooling, lack of proper education. Fourth is neighborhood influence. Fifth is that lack of interaction with adults. And sixth is substance abuse. And also substance abuse has been seen in the majority of juvenile crimes, in which juveniles are more influenced by the drugs and alcohols, and the drugs and alcohols which they consume are more powerful than those used by adolescents 10 years ago. It is seen that juvenile crimes juveniles are most involved in these heinous activities when they are under the influence of alcohol or drug. So what are the solution? Coming to the solution part, firstly, finding the juveniles, the children who are involved in this activity, providing them the proper treatment is of utmost importance. The government has there are two programs. The first program is that individual program, in which we provide the proper counseling, education, and psychotherapy to the individual who is involved in these crimes. And secondly, environmental program, in which we we promote the employment techniques of the environment which are most likely to promote these juvenile crimes. So in conclusion, juvenile crime can be proven very harmful for the country if not treated at a proper time, because the children's and the youths are the future of our today. Thank you.